everybody! It's a cold day today. I don't know why I always start with weather, but I do. But we are going to a really cool grocery store. Yes, I know what you're saying. It's a grocery store. No one cares about a grocery store. All you do is go buy groceries. But this is called Mitsuwa, and it is a Japanese Asian market that's in Arlington Heights. It's gonna take me some time to get there, but it's so cool. I remember, yeah, that thing's a cool Corvette. Look at that thing, top down and everything. But I remember going here back in college when I was this young, broke college student learning Japanese. Now, why was I learning Japanese? Well, I'm a big car guy too, and I love the JDM car scene. I've owned plenty of JDM cars. I had a 95 S14 Sylvia, I had a 71 Datsun 240Z, I had my 13 STI Hatch that I drove for quite some time. I mean, I've kind of involved myself in that, and I just loved it. I don't know, something about it. And that got me more interested in the Japanese culture itself and learning, why they do certain things, and just understanding and trying to communicate, because I've always wanted to go to Japan. And that's still, a bucket list item. I still want to get there, but for a little slice of it, more like a, 40,000 square foot slice of it, Mitsuwa was my destination. And it was always so cool because they had nothing but, Japanese products in there. And I can't read anything, right? It's always 100% Japanese, and there's a little bit of English, right? But it was always really cool. And they've got a market area where you can buy ramen or sushi or whatever else you want, and a whole bunch of pastries. And it was just so much fun, and I want to go back. It's been a while, so I think I'm overdue. And I figured I'd take this chilly day to ride all the way out there. Yeah, you might as well get over. I'll be a nice guy. I won't be a jackass. Yeah, come on, guy. Come on. Oh, and it just sounds so good on these colder days. Oh. You're right there. So as we make our way there, and I got, 36 more minutes of this, and why did you pull out? People, come on. I want to know how many of you guys live in cold weather markets where you have to winterize your bike, or you have to put it up for a few months, or if you choose not to do either of those things and continue to ride. What do you do when you do get these colder, November days? What kind of gear do you wear? Because I need to figure out how to get a little bit better jacket, definitely better gloves, same ones I ride in the summer with, that, pretty chilly. And, I wear like a neck warmer and thermaline pants, and, I fight off as much cold as I can, but I'm not the best. I haven't been riding in the winter all too long, at least on the street. I've done it in the dirt just fine, but what are some tips? What are some tricks? I definitely need some help on that one. I need some insight. I'll see if I can even put together a video of my own to figure that one out. But, oh, you son of a... Give me a green, give me a green, give me a green. Give me a green. Yeah. Well, I've really got nothing else to say, so why don't we take up the next 33 minutes with some music and, some beautiful fall scenery. Forgot how cool this parking lot was. Well, here we are. Whee! Oh, right here. Oh, we've made it, motorcycle. All right, here we go. I guess let's get inside. Chicken thigh, a pork belly, a bacon and quail egg, and a karage pasta. Thank you. That was Mitsuwa. God, that place is awesome. It's so cool. I love going there, and the food, holy smokes, food's good. I'll tell you what, those bacon wrapped quail egg thingies, oh yeah, that was it. I would go back just for those. Usually I get the ramen from the one stand, but I mean there was 1,000 people there. I figured it was basically lunchtime, so I should have known, but oh, that was just too good. Anyway, now we're off the cycle gear because I feel like I need a new jacket. I'm tired of the one that I have. It works just fine, but it's just a little too bulky for me. So as we get into this colder weather here, I should try to slim down a little bit, and oh god, all the food's coming up. Get into the leather game. So yeah, here we go. Going to the one in Schaumburg right here. What are you doing, man? Yeah, I'm trying to arrive. Where are you going, bro? Oh my god, you're still trying to park? What are you doing? I mean, sorry, old man. God damn.
Many hours later.
Alright, just got out of cycle gear. Found a new jacket I want, and I always want to spend more money. What else is new? But anyway, we're on our way home, and I'll close out after a fun little shopping day here. So thank you for watching, and I'm enjoying this last half of the season, and I hope you guys are too, because winter's right around the corner. Hopefully I can get a few more rides in, but if I cannot, oh well, that's alright. We'll continue throughout. So remember, keep riding.
Going home, John.